Good morning students. Today we will learn our class 7th physical science. Under this, your first chapter is regarding measurement. What is your first chapter? Measurement. Measure. What do you mean by measure? See, if I ask you to measure a length of a thread, what you will do? You will be using either a scale or a tape to measure its length. Yes or no? Yes. Now, when you go to stitch your dress, where do we go? To a tailor. What does a tailor does? By using a measuring tape, he will measure the length. Whatever dress you want to stitch, he will measure the length. Now, did you observe while measuring, did you observe on the tape certain things like this? cm stands for centimeter. INCH stands for inches. M stands for meter. Not only on the measuring tape, you might have seen your scale in your compass box. On the compass box also, you might see these two, centimeter and inches. Why you are seeing on one side of the scale as centimeter and the other side as inches? First question is, why we are seeing such things like centimeter and inches? And to measure anything, we are using certain instruments like measuring tape, a scale, or we call it as a ruler. Now, using a tape, we can measure a length and also the breadth. Now, why we are seeing centimeter and inches? Not only this, when you go to a vegetable shop, you might be asking, I want a tomatoes. Then the greengrocer seller will tell you, oh man, how many tomatoes do you need? Then you will be saying 1 kg. Do you mention here kg and a number like 1? Yes, we will say either a 1 kg or a 10 kg or a 2 kg there. Now if suppose you won't say, I want 1. Does he be able to understand what does 1 indicates there? No. Hence, we will be saying either 1 kg or a 2 kg. Now here 1. If you won't say 1 also, he doesn't understand how many tomatoes you need there. Hence, a number along with a kg, a number along with a kg should be there in order to measure the tomatoes. Hence, here we are finding out 1 kg means, can I say this is nothing but mass of your tomatoes there you are measuring? Yes or no? Yes. Hence, not only this, go to a supermarket. Now you want to buy sugar. You want to buy sugar. Your mom has asked you to get some sugar. Now there also you might be seeing on the packets 1 kg or 2 kgs. Yes or no? Yes. Now based on this, how much quantity you require, you will buy that amount of the quantity. Okay. Now here sometimes you might see, did you saw some quantities like 200 G there? Yes, we have seen. Sometimes kg, sometimes only G. Why sometimes kgs and sometimes G we are using there? Kg indicates kilogram, G indicates grams. Sometimes we will measure some quantities in kgs, sometimes in grams. Now why we are seeing kgs, grams like this? Here kgs, are we measuring the quantity there? Yes, we are measuring the quantity. How much amount of a quantity is present is measured by either a kg or a gram. Mass, you have heard certain terms in your lower class. Mass, speed, length, breadth, all these are physical quantities. In what do we call them? Length. You have heard, not only in physics, you have heard breadth in mathematics. Yes, volume, mass, time. These all are, so many are there, comes under physical quantities. What are these? Those are physical quantities. Okay. Now, what do you mean by a physical quantity? Let us understand what do you mean by a physical quantity. Any physical quantity, we represent it with capital Q. Any physical quantity, we represent it with capital Q. Next, we are writing N into U. What is Q? What you are saying, madam? Q, N, U. You may be getting a doubt. Now, we have taken an example of a sugar there. What I said, 1 kg. Yes or no? Sugar. Sugar means here, am I measuring the mass of the sugar there? Yes, I am measuring the mass of a sugar. Mass. Mass means, what do you mean by mass? Quantity of matter. How much amount of matter is there inside the substance is called as mass. Now here, mass. What I said, how much mass is there? 1 kg. Mass. What I said, mass all comes under physical quantities. Yes or no? Yes. Any physical quantity in physics, we represent it with Q. Next, N. N. N is nothing but numerical value. What is N? Numerical value. Now what is U? U is unit. Okay. What is N? Numerical value. Numerical value means a number. 1. Is it a number? Yes. Unit. Unit is nothing but kg, gram, centimeter, inches, meter, kilometer. These are all units. Any physical quantity is represented by a general formula. Q is equal to N into U, where N is a numerical value and U is the unit. Okay. N is the numerical value, U is the unit. Now we have discussed physical measurement. Now in your day-to-day life you have seen cubes, playing with the cubes like your dice, yes or no? Now can we find the volume of a cube? You have studied in your mathematics. Area of a rectangle, area of a triangle, area of a square, yes or no? Now under this we have seen sometimes kilograms, grams, meter, inches. You may be getting it out. Why madam? Sometimes you are using kgs, sometimes you are using grams, yes or no? For this, any physical quantity can be represented in three systems. What are those? Three systems of units we call them. There are three systems of units. How many systems? Three systems. See why you are saying sometimes kgs, sometimes grams there. Any physical quantity can be measured in three systems. Okay. First system is FPS. Okay. Now under this, your first system is FPS system. Length, mass, time. Are there physical quantities? Yes. Length. You may be saying, if I ask you to measure the length of your pencil, it is 2 centimeters. 2 is a numerical value. Centimeter. Can I say it as a unit? Yes. Hence, length is a physical quantity. Mass, time. What is the time now? Means 12:30 p.m. Okay. Like that you may be saying the time. Now, all these physical quantities are classified into three types of systems. One is FPS system. What do we call it as? FPS system. In FPS system, always length, we measure it in foot. How do we measure length? We measure it in foot. Now, how to measure mass? We always measure mass in pounds. Okay? How to measure time? Seconds. Now, next system is CGS. See here, you can easily remember. F means foot. P means pound. S means second. Okay. The other system is CGS. Length we always measure in centimeter. How do you measure in CGS system? Length as centimeter. Mass, grams, time, second. Okay, time in seconds. Centimeter, gram, second system. The other system is MKS, or we can also call it as SI. In MKS, we measure length in meter. How to measure mass? Kilogram. How to measure time? Second. That's why, look at this table. That's why sometimes you are saying mass in grams, sometimes in kgs, sometimes you are saying your length in centimeters, sometimes in meters. See, depending upon the systems, we are changing its unit. Okay. On your scale also, centimeter, inches. SI stands for Standard International System, or we can call it as MKS system. M is for meter, K is for kilogram, S is for second. How many systems are there to measure any physical quantity? There are 3 systems: FPS, CGS, MKS. Okay? FPS, we will measure it in foot length. Length is always, whenever, anywhere, wherever you go, if you want to measure length in FPS system, we will use foot. Mass, we will measure it in pounds. Time, we will measure it in seconds. Now, CGS is centimeter, gram, second. MKS is meter, kilogram, second system. Okay, that's why anywhere you observe all the physical quantities, sometimes you will be seeing in grams and kilograms, centimeter and meter. These are the 3 systems where we use to measure any physical quantity. Okay. How do we denote a physical quantity? We denote it with Q is always equal to numerical value into unit. Okay, understood? Now under this measurement, next we have how to measure area. Okay, how to measure area. Okay, now today, based on this, you write some homework. Okay, what is your homework is, write your homework on just first one, name the 3 systems to measure any physical quantity. Name the 3 systems to measure any physical quantity. Write a formula to measure any physical quantity, measure any physical quantities, and explain the terms in the formula. Okay, name the 3 systems to measure any physical quantities. To measure any physical quantity, what are those 3 systems? You write. Okay, write a formula to measure any physical quantities, to measure any physical quantity, and explain the terms in it. Okay, to measure any physical quantity, what is the formula you write, and explain the terms. What are the terms in the formula? What does N represents there? U represents there. What is Q there? These are the 3 systems you need to explain. I have told you how do we measure the 3 systems to measure any physical quantity like FPS, CGS, MKS, or we call it as SI system. Okay children, thank you.